Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to explain how to view record of employment ROE in MSCA. So go to canada.ca and here on the search bar, just type in record of employment and just choose record, the first option, right? Or view my record of employment like so. It's going to bring you to this page right here. So access record of employment on the web, ROE web, click on that. Here, you will need to sign in with your Government Canada or Canada.ca account. So two ways you can do this. If you're an employer and you already have an ROE web account, you can sign in with a GC key or sign in with your bank. Or if you're not an employer, you can access your ROE in My Service Canada account. Click on this, MSCA. So all you need to do is sign in via these options over here. So interact at sign in partner, GC key, username and password, or provincial sign in. This is only for British Columbia and Alberta. And that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.